Bird and Kip. Kip's new job. Episode 1. The Police Officer.
Kip was near the street. People walked and talked. Cars zoomed by. Suddenly, Kip heard a loud whistle. All the cars stopped. Kip looked around. He saw a woman in the street. The woman looked very serious. She wore a hat and a badge. She had a whistle.
A police officer,
said Kip. People were waiting to cross the street. The police officer waved to them. The people walked across the street.
Wow,
said Kip. A woman rode a bike fast. The police officer blew her whistle. The woman slowed down. A man dropped a cup on the sidewalk.
No littering, sir,
said the police officer. Sorry, said the man. He picked up the cup.
Wow,
said Kip.
I want to be a police officer.
Bird and Kip. Kip's new job. Episode 2. Serious Kip.
Bird flew over the park. She saw Kip standing on the path. He wore a hat and a badge. He had a whistle. Kip looked very serious. Bird flew down.
What are you doing?
Asked Bird.
I'm a police officer,
said Kip. Bird laughed.
You're not a police officer, Kip. Yes, I am,
said Kip.
Watch this.
A woman ran on the path. Kip blew his whistle.
Slow down,
he said. The woman ran past Kip.
She didn't hear me,
said Kip. A boy rode a bike on the path. Kip blew his whistle again.
Slow down,
said Kip. The boy rode past Kip. Kip frowned. A girl dropped a bag in the grass.
No littering,
yelled Kip. But the girl didn't even look at him.
Oh,
Kip sighed.
You're right, Bird. I'm not a police officer.
Bird and Kip. Kip's new job. Episode 3. Officer Kip.
Kip was sad. He wanted to be a police officer. But nobody listened to him.
Don't worry, Kip.
Said Bird.
You can pretend you're a police officer.
Oh,
Kip sighed.
I don't want to pretend. I'm going home.
Kip started to walk away. Suddenly, he saw a girl on a bike. The girl was riding fast on the path. Kip also saw Squirrel. Squirrel was walking toward the path. He was carrying a tall pile of acorns.
Oh no!
Said Kip.
Squirrel can't see that girl!
Kip ran fast. He jumped in front of Squirrel. Kip blew his whistle. Squirrel stopped.
Wait!
Said Kip. The girl on the bike zoomed by.
Now you can go.
Said Kip.
Thanks, Kip.
Said Squirrel.
No problem.
Said Kip. Bird smiled.
Good job, Officer Kip.